Welcome to my head-to-head Vitamix A2500 versus 7500 comparison. This video will explain all of the key differences between the Vitamix A2500 and the Vitamix 7500 so that you can decide which one is best for you. Links to the current prices for both of the products are in the description box below. The Vitamix A2500 and 7500 both pack a punch with their powerful motors. You'll find a 2.2 horsepower engine in each, ensuring smooth blends and efficient ingredient processing. When it comes to blades, both models feature the same durable stainless steel construction. As you'll see for yourself, these sharp aircraft-grade blades make quick work of tough ingredients like nuts, seeds, and frozen fruits. The A2500 offers a slight edge with its preset programs. You can select smoothie, hot soup, or frozen dessert settings for consistent results every time. The 7500, while lacking presets, still delivers excellent performance with manual controls. That said, both blenders excel at creating silky, smooth textures. Whether you're whipping up a green smoothie or a creamy soup, you'll appreciate the vortex-like blending action that pulls ingredients down into the blades. Both the Vitamix A2500 and 7500 come with a 64-ounce low-profile container. This spacious size allows you to blend large batches for family meals or entertaining. The containers are made of BPA-free plastic, ensuring your blends are safe and free from harmful chemicals. You'll appreciate the durable construction that can withstand frequent use. One notable difference is the shape. The A2500's container has a slightly more tapered design, while the 7500's is a bit wider at the base. This subtle variation can affect how ingredients circulate during blending. The lids on both models are secure and spill-proof. You'll find a removable plug in the center, perfect for adding ingredients mid-blend or using the tamper. A key advantage of these low-profile containers is their ability to fit under most kitchen cabinets. This makes storage a breeze, unlike taller models that might be more cumbersome. Remember, while the containers are similar, the A2500 has wireless connectivity that adjusts blending times based on the container size. This feature isn't available on the 7500. The A2500 boasts 3 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. This feature gives you consistent results with the push of a button. You can also manually adjust the speed for more control over your blends. On the other hand, the 7500 relies on manual controls. While it lacks pre-programmed settings, its variable speed control allows you to fine-tune your blends precisely. The A2500's pre-programmed settings might give you an edge if you frequently make smoothies or frozen desserts. However, the 7500's manual control can be preferable if you enjoy experimenting with different recipes and textures. The A2500 features a sleek digital interface with a variable speed dial, pulse feature, and 3 program settings. You'll appreciate the convenience of preset programs for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. In contrast, the 7500 keeps things simple with manual controls. It has a variable speed dial and pulse switch, giving you hands-on control over your blends. You might find the A2500's controls more intuitive if you're tech-savvy. Its wireless connectivity can even adjust blend times based on container size. However, the 7500's straightforward manual controls could appeal if you prefer a more tactile blending experience. There's no learning curve, just dial in your desired speed and blend away. As I noted earlier in my Vitamix 7500 versus a 2500 comparison, the A2500 comes equipped with 3 preset programs for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. These allow you to simply press a button and walk away while the blender does the work for you. It also features a built-in digital timer, helping you achieve the perfect blend every time. In contrast, the 7500 lacks preset programs and a digital timer. You'll need to manually control the blending process and keep track of time yourself. This gives you more hands-on control, but requires more attention during use. The A2500 has an edge with its wireless connectivity. This smart feature allows the blender to recognize the container size and adjust blend settings accordingly. It can also connect to the Vitamix Perfect Blend app for access to hundreds of recipes. While the 7500 may seem less advanced, its simplicity can be an advantage for those who prefer a more straightforward blending experience without extra bells and whistles. Keeping your Vitamix blender clean is essential for its longevity and performance. Both the A2500 and 7500 models offer self-cleaning features that make maintenance a breeze. To clean either blender, simply add warm water and a drop of dish soap to the container. Run it on high for 30-60 seconds and you're done. This quick process takes care of most everyday cleaning needs. Both the Vitamix A2500 and 7500 come with a 64-ounce low-profile container, perfect for blending large batches. You'll also find the tamper tool included with both models. It's handy for pushing ingredients down into the blades while blending thick mixtures. The A2500 has an edge when it comes to compatibility with Vitamix's self-detect containers. These smart containers communicate with the base, adjusting blend settings automatically. From a food processor attachment to a stainless steel blending jug, the Vitamix A2500 works with a wide variety of compatible containers, making it that bit more versatile and innovative than the Vitamix 7500.